The fuel pump pressurizing assembly controls the amount of fuel delivered to the high-pressure pumping chambers. Fuel leaves the fuel pump pressurizing assembly and enters the high-pressure pump. The fuel pump contains a pressure regulator set at 7 bar to maintain a constant pressure to the pressurizing valve. When the pressure exceeds the setting value, it opens and sends fuel back to the inlet of the fuel delivery pump. This fuel is referred to as recirculated fuel. The fuel control valve after the actuator sends fuel to the return manifold through the air bleed line. Fuel enters the high-pressure pump from the fuel pressurizing assembly. Once in the high-pressure pump, the fuel is sent into the pressurizing chamber, where it is pressurized to a 1600 bar nominal operating pressure. Pressurized fuel is then directed into the fuel pump rail through the one-way check valve. The mechanical dump valve opens at 1950 bar when fuel pressure is above the system design limits. From the high-pressure pump, the fuel travels past the metering rail pressure sensor on its way to the injectors. All high-pressure fuel lines are double-walled. The inner tube is high-pressure fuel to the injectors, and the outer tube is for fuel from a leaking high-pressure fuel line or high-pressure fuel line fitting.